friends, my name is Sandhya Dimbar. Today's video topic is SQL. So we are discuss about what is SQL. SQL stand for Structured Query Language. This database language is mainly designed for maintaining the data in relational database management system. It is the special tool used to data professional for handling structured data, which is stored in from of table. It is also designed for stream processing in RDBMS. You can easily create and manipulate the database, access and modify the table rows and columns, etc. This query language becomes the standard of ANSI in year 1986, and ISO in year of 1987. If we want to get the job in such a field for data science, then it is the most important query language to learn. Big enterprises like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn are use SQL for storing the data in backend. Also, they are using different deletes. First is a MySQL server using TSQL, Oracle using PL SQL server, and third is a MS Access version of SQL is called JET SQL, etc. Then next point is a YSQL. SQL is a widely used in data science and analytics. Following are the reason, such as the follow. First is the basic use of SQL for data professional and SQL user is to insert, update, and delete the data from the relation database. SQL allows data professional and users to retrieve the data from the relational database management system. It is also help to describe the structured data. It's allow the user to create, drop, and manipulate the database and its table. It is also help is creating a view, store, process, and functions in the relational database. Then next, it allow you to define the data and modify that store data in the relational database. Then SQL used to set the permission or constraint on the table, column, view, and store procedure. Then next point is application. Then next point is application of SQL. So we are discuss about the application of SQL, such as allows user to access the data in the relational database management system, allow user to describe the data, allow user to define the data in a database and manipulate the data. Then next is allow to embed within the other language using SQL modules, libraries, and precompilers. Then next point is a process of SQL. When we executing the command of SQL on the relational database management system, then the system automatically find the best routine to carry out the request, and SQL engine determines how interpret the particular command. Structured query language contains the following four components in this process. First is a query dispatcher, optimization engine. Third is a classic query engine, and fourth is a SQL query engine, etc. Then next part is a SQL command. The SQL command helps in creating and managing the database. The most command of the SQL command, which are the highly used of mentioned below. First is a create command, second is a update, third is a delete, fourth is a select, next is a drop, and next insert, then create command use this create command use the command helps the creating the new database, new table, new views, and other object of the database. Update command, it is used to updating and changing the stored data. Then delete is a it's help to removing and erase the data from the table. Then select command helps the accessing and single or multiple rows from one or multiple tables in the database. Next command is a drop command is helps is deleting the entire table, entire views, and table views and other object from the database. And insert command, it is help is inserting the data and records in the database table, etc. It is all about the SQL. Thank you.